Hi beauties, welcome or welcome back to A Loft to Loft. Today I am showing you my favorite edge cutter, also nail clipper, that I use any single time I need to cut down my nails, whether I'm wearing dip powder or I'm wearing gel polish, because I tend to like them on the thicker side, so I can't just use a normal or usual nail clipper. So I have to use these, and they're actually, I call them a nail cutter, but they're technically called an edge cutter. So all I do is I just go down and I decide how short or how long I want to keep my nails. And if I have it more flush against my fingers and I tilt it towards me, that's going to give me more of a straight across type of cut. Whereas if I tilt the edge of it away from my fingers, that's going to give me more of a rounded cut. But as you can see here, I'm going more for the shorter straight edge cut. So I'm just going to go through and cut down all of these because they've pretty much gotten to that point where they're a bit too long for me. It's time for me to go back short. Now, if you can also take a look at the nails, you'll see they don't really have much of a shiny gloss look to them. They have more of a matte, but not a true matte. And that is because this is dip powder, but I didn't use a top coat. All I used was an activator. And it was an experiment because I wanted to see how the color would last without using an activator. So what I'm going to show you after I cut these down is how it looks, because I've worn these for 2 weeks with no issues. And now that I've cut them down, as you can see in my background, I have my soak off, my dish. I'm going to soak these off and then get ready for the next set. Now I've applied my new set, still using dip powder, because I want to show you exactly how it looks without applying a top coat. I myself am not a fan of how the matte polish looks. I have several of them because they come in almost all the kits, but I'm not a fan of them. So what I use instead is just the activator. I did the usual steps of applying the base, dip, base, dip, base, dip, and activator. And as you can see here, what I'm showing you is how this dip powder looks in the jar versus how it looks on my nails. Now overall, I have no complaints because I actually really do like this color, and it has a little shimmer, not a true glitter, but a little shimmer to it. So my only advice would be, if you are using glitter or white, do apply a top coat. But if not, you're a-okay without it. And as always, thanks for watching.